Welcome to Smart Stock Watch. Today is February 5th, 2025, and we're diving into Ares Capital's latest earnings report. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Ares Capital, a leading specialty finance company, has just released its financial results for the fourth quarter and full year of 2024. There's a lot to unpack, so let's get started.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the revenue and profitability. Ares Capital reported a total investment income of $759 million for the fourth quarter. How does this compare to their net investment income and net income?
Great question. Ares Capital's net investment income for Q4 was $359 million, which is a solid performance. Their GAAP net income came in at $357 million, translating to a GAAP net income per share of 55 cents. This indicates a stable income stream despite some fluctuations in realized and unrealized gains.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of 57 cents for Ares Capital, but the actual core EPS was 55. How should investors interpret this?
While the core EPS of 55 cents slightly missed the forecast of 57, it's important to note that Ares Capital declared a dividend of 48 cents per share for Q1 2025, maintaining their commitment to returning value to shareholders. The slight miss might be due to market conditions and investment exits, but the overall financial health remains strong.
Portfolio and investment activity. John, can you elaborate on Ares Capital's portfolio and investment activity for the quarter?
Absolutely. In Q4, Ares Capital made new investment commitments of approximately $3.8 billion and exited $2.7 billion of commitments. Their portfolio investments at fair value stood at $26.72 billion, with 69% in floating rate securities. This strategic focus on floating rate securities positions them well in a rising interest rate environment.
Liquidity and capital resources. Let's discuss liquidity and capital resources. How is Ares Capital managing its financial flexibility?
Ares Capital has $635 million in cash and equivalents, with total debt at $13.8 billion. They have $5.1 billion available for additional borrowings, providing significant financial flexibility. Additionally, their stock repurchase program, extended to February 2026, allows for up to $1 billion in repurchases, indicating confidence in their stock value.
CEO insights. What insights did the CEO and CFO provide regarding the company's performance and future outlook?
CEO Kipp deVeer highlighted their strong earnings and growth in book value per share, positioning Ares Capital well for an active investing market in 2025. CFO Scott Lem emphasized their strong balance sheet and over 15 years of stable or growing dividends, which are key differentiators for Ares Capital.
Key takeaways. In summary, Ares Capital has delivered a robust performance for 2024, with strong investment income and a stable dividend policy. John, any final thoughts on their investment prospects?
Ares Capital's strategic focus on floating rate securities and their strong balance sheet position them well for future growth. Their consistent dividend policy and stock repurchase program further enhance their attractiveness to investors.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Ares Capital's performance in the comments below.